Hi friends, this is YRS Live. Welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing is really exciting because I've got one of my favorite brands with me here. The brand it's known for its reliability, durability and performance. It's a proud German make and it's called Karcher. So without further ado, I'm going to bring it to you, the Karcher unboxing. Thank you. This is the product, as you can clearly see. As you can see, it's a tall box. It includes the vacuum cleaner. It's wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So if you can see from here, it says WD6 premium. It's ultra suction powered. It consumes 1300 watt. The capacity of the container is 30 liters. And so nothing much. The billing is there. Shipping information is there. So let's unbox. In the box we have this floor scrub, this suction pipe. Don't know what is it, I'll find out later. These are the main hose. This is a knob. Some attachments, which are these are the wheels. These wheels will be installed on the bottom of the machine, so you can move it around. The menu, and this is the bin. Okay, this is the bin for the vacuum cleaner. It's a pretty large bin bag. Mistake. This is one of the other attachments from WD6. And now the time for the machine. Okay, sorry. Forgot about the rods. This is the suction rod, hose rod. It's very heavy, good quality steel item. Another pair to extend the length. And the machine itself. Wow. So, right out of the box, we have Karcher WD6 Premium. This is Karcher WD6 Premium. The build quality is high. Black and yellow is a trademark of Karcher domestic appliances. High quality steel tank container. So this is the power inlet. This is the cable. I don't know what it does. turning around. Let's see. I think this cable is around 15 feet long. It's a 15 feet cable. Oh wow. This is a filter, air filter. And here goes the, and you can see, this is a filter. This is a filter slot, and the dust goes right inside. Suction is right inside. Very well thought. So this is the breakup of the machine. I'm gonna put this back up. Thing is movable. And this is the breakup of the machine. Friends, this is the final machine. After this, my verdict is that it's a complete package. It's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and it works really well. The build quality of the product is commendable. If you don't mind spending some extra bucks on a quality thing, then this machine is a go-go, because it's a German brand. It's reliable. I've been using Karcher K7.7 Premium. It really works very good. It's a powerful motor, and so is this WD6 Premium. I think WD6 Premium is top of the line, which is available in India. This is the home and the garden series. The professional series is entirely a different. The professional series is entirely a different section. Then, so the price of the machine is around 25,000 bucks in INR, in this Indian rupees. The machine is really good. I mean, if you have this machine, you won't be needing another machine for your cleaning or your vacuuming, etc. So, friends, thanks for watching my video. Press the like button. If you want to comment on my video. Do subscribe the button and press the bell icon.